Burl Marx philodendron, dwarf variety with beautiful foliage, and this is green emerald philodendron which has grown very elongated, and the height has been increased more than the trellis support. As you see, it has grown longer than trellis. So I plan to propagate this green emerald into more plants. So today I'm going to propagate the green emerald by stem cutting. You can observe very elongate aerial roots. This is because where I kept the place, it is very moist, humid, and hence the aerial roots are so elongated. So I chopped the plant into bits where I left the basal plant as it is, and the stems I am going to place it into the pot. While taking a cutting, just see the nodal region, and the nodes will have aerial roots. Select at least 2 nodes for each cutting. Even a single node can also have the success rate, but if you have 2 nodes, some cases if the base get rotten, at least the upper aerial roots may develop. So select minimum 2 nodes, and I selected the topmost stem cutting and I placed that in the same part so that I should need a bushy appearance in the same part, and rest of the stems I'm going to place that into a separate part. And this plant is so pet to my pet. It roams here and there around the plant. It enjoys playing with these plants. Sometimes I feel very angry on my pet as I'm scared that it may damage it. But never I come across any damage. It loves this plant and plays with that. So this is how we can propagate the green emerald by just simple stem cuttings.